In a $325 billion a year industry, billion dollar industry, there's a lot of competition out there. There's a lot of people that you're going to be compared to. You need to stand out in the crowd. Part of that's in the marketing, and part of that's just the product that you have out there. And if your product is subpar, you're going to have subpar results, because ultimately, no matter how good the content is, people are going to have to sit in front of it. They're going to have to absorb it. And ultimately, people buy with their eyes and they buy with their ears. Is the audio good? Is the video good? If those things are tight, you're already in the top 10%, because there's so many bad products out there. And honestly, the barrier now to get into high quality filming and video now is so much lower than it was. When I first got into this industry, to get a camera that even did halfway decent quality was well over $1,000, just a camera. And now with all the great technology out there, you can have a wonderful video quality. You can, have great audio quality for a fraction of the cost. The big thing that so many people, particularly thinking about getting into this industry, is in course creation or adding it to their arsenal of things they do, is that they forget that what's everyday to you is a superpower to others. And that superpower it's hard to look past as being on the inside, but is an unsurmountable task to others. Think about whenever you've looked at somebody who's done something with technology or a performance or an instrument or whatever it is. They're doing it innately and they just are able to accomplish it. And it seems insurmountable, but it's everyday to them. You have something in your bag of experience or your work experience or in your business that is a superpower to others that they want to learn, but you just haven't recognized it yet, or you haven't realized it is viable. There are so many people out there that want to know what you know and are willing to pay you for it. And in particular, don't sell yourself short, and also devalue yourself. You can provide, just like this, some solid content to show you know what you're doing, but don't be afraid to take that knowledge out there and have people invest in themselves and also then support you and your knowledge. You've spent a lifetime becoming an expert in that, being a genius at it. And you should be rewarded for it. And also realize that by them rewarding you for that, they've also now invested in it and have a buy-in. So take a look at inventory of what you do. If you've ever been told, how do you do that? Or you're so good at that, things along that line, or things you just do innately. Inevitably, that's something that somebody else wants to learn and know and love. If you don't believe me on it, look at some of the online course places. Go to Udemy, something like that. Type in random topics and see what's out there. You'd be really surprised that what you look past is something that others would love to know, willing to pay you very well for it. And then you get to show people what you know and love and further that growth of that area. And it's all not make money areas, everybody. It's a whole bunch of different topics, whether they're interpersonal, they're hobbies, whatever it is. Take a look out there. Somebody's waiting for you to take the initiative to put that information out there.